Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best garbage disposal strainer is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential kitchen gadgets, silently protecting your plumbing from food scraps and preventing costly clogs, transforming your daily dishwashing routine from a potential plumbing nightmare into a smooth, worry-free experience, ensuring your sink remains clear and functional. Number 5. OXO Good Grip Silicone Sink Drain Strainer. This innovative basket effectively traps kitchen scraps while allowing water to drain freely. Unlike other plugs, it performs consistently and is built to last. Its soft silicone basket inverts easily for thorough debris disposal. This design transforms an unpleasant chore into a quick and simple task. Featuring a sleek, stain-resistant stainless steel cover, it keeps your sink looking tidy and appealing. Your kitchen will maintain a fresh and clean appearance. The flexible silicone basket is gentle on your sink surface. It ensures no scratches, unlike traditional metal strainers. Cleaning is a breeze as it is completely dishwasher safe. You can quickly restore it to pristine condition without any hassle. What we like? This strainer features a soft silicone basket that inverts for incredibly easy debris disposal. If you're tired of struggling with stubborn food scraps and want a quick, simple cleanup, this is your go-to. Its flexible design also ensures it won't scratch your sink, making it perfect for maintaining pristine surfaces. What people say. Number 4. Kitchen SinkShroom Clog-Free Stainless Steel Strainer. This revolutionary strainer neatly catches food particles. Its ergonomic design and stainless steel construction ensure water flows freely. Its intuitive hollow center cylinder is raised to prevent blockages. Simply grab it to remove the strainer with ease. Even with gathered refuse, optimal hole placement keeps water flowing. This prevents dirty dishwater from rising in your sink. It was a 2019 Housewares Design Awards finalist. This revolutionary basket fits virtually any kitchen sink or garbage disposal drain, no special tools needed. This patented design comes from the creators of other award-winning drain protectors. You can trust its quality and effectiveness. What we like? This innovative strainer boasts a unique, ergonomic design that effectively catches food particles without impeding water flow. If you're constantly battling slow drains or rising dirty dishwater, this award-winning solution will keep things moving smoothly. Its raised center cylinder also prevents blockage from pots and dishes, ensuring continuous drainage. What people say. Number 3. Danco 10768A Disposal Genie 2. This innovative design safeguards your garbage disposal. It prevents silverware, jewelry, and other non-food items from accidentally slipping down the sink drain. Its newest innovation offers stopper capability. A simple twist allows you to either close it to stop water or open it to continue using it as a sink strainer. With its 5-inch height, it remains securely in the sink drain opening. This ensures it acts as an effective splash guard while your garbage disposal is running. The included silicone food scraper tool is designed for convenience. You can use it to safely clean dishes and push leftover food directly into the disposal. Constructed from tough and durable materials, it's built to last. Plus, it's completely dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. What we like? This versatile gadget offers comprehensive protection for your garbage disposal, preventing silverware and other non-food items from falling in. If you're looking for a multifunctional tool, its twist-to-close stopper feature allows you to easily fill your sink with water. Plus, the integrated silicone food scraper makes plate cleaning a breeze, adding extra convenience to your kitchen routine. What people say. The strainer effectively catches food particles, preventing clogs in the disposal. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance in the kitchen sink. Number 2. Patented Chain Mesh Sink Strainer. Introducing a revolutionary kitchen sink drain strainer. Its flexible chainmail pocket can be turned inside out, allowing you to easily pour out collected residue without getting your hands dirty. You can even put it in the dishwasher for ultimate convenience. Say goodbye to clogged sinks and standing water. This porous design ensures water drains quickly, even when it's full of debris. You won't have to worry about dirty water accumulating while washing dishes. This innovative basket collects far more debris than traditional strainers. Its larger volume holds extra residue at once, significantly reducing how often you need to clean it. Enjoy faster, hassle-free cooking with fewer interruptions. This exclusive, handcrafted product redefines your sink. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it is completely rust-proof, ensuring long-lasting performance. It will maintain its pristine condition even after extended use. With a 4.4-inch outer diameter and a perfect 3 mm aperture, this strainer fits most sink drains perfectly. You can use it in your kitchen sink, bathroom vanity, bathtub, or even an RV sink. Its flexible design makes it suitable for various occasions. What we like. Featuring a patented, flexible chain mesh design, this strainer can be inverted for effortless, hands-free cleaning. If you frequently deal with large amounts of food waste and want to reduce cleaning frequency, its extra-large capacity is a game-changer. This masterfully handcrafted 304 stainless steel product is also rust-proof and ensures water keeps flowing, no matter how much debris it collects. What people say. No reviews found in the source to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON. Number 1. Universal 3.25-inch silicone sink baffle and splash guard. Upgrade your kitchen with this high-quality 3.25-inch sink baffle. Made from durable silicone, it's an inexpensive and effective replacement for your old splash guard. Its pliable design ensures food and water flow smoothly down, preventing messy splashes and backflow. It also protects your disposer by stopping unwanted items from falling in. Experience a quieter kitchen with its innovative quiet collar design. This baffle can reduce disposer noise by up to 70%, making your cleanup tasks more peaceful. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools or disassembly. It's also fully removable and dishwasher safe, ensuring quick and easy cleaning. Designed with a 3.25-inch diameter, it offers wide compatibility. This makes it a perfect fit for most standard sinks and popular disposal brands. What we like. This replacement baffle is specifically designed to significantly reduce garbage disposal noise, making your kitchen quieter. If you're bothered by loud disposal operation, its noise-canceling quiet collar can cut sound by up to 70%. It also effectively prevents food and water from splashing upward, ensuring a cleaner and more pleasant kitchen environment. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source JSON. No positive reviews found in the provided source JSON. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.